Since we have already covered how to create goals and accounts in the profile overview, we should look at how to put everything together. Before we dive in though, there are a couple things I should point out. You can have as many plans as you would like for a client, and you can include items such as goals, accounts, and incomes in as many plans as you would like. Just be sure not to double count anything. So let's get started. To create a plan, head over to the Plan section and click Add a Plan. Now we need to name the plan, and then we can get to work. The first thing that we'll want to do is add all of the goals for the plans. Since we're working on an education plan, we'll click on the Education Goals section, and then Add an Education Goal. Now we need to select the education goal that we would like to add to the plan. In this case, it's kind of an easy choice. We only have the one goal, Jim's education. There's also another option, Scenario Goal. This is typically, for scenario analysis. You can also create scenario accounts and scenario income. In this case, we'll only have the one goal, but you can include as many goals as you would like. The next thing we'll need to do is add an account. It works the same way as adding a goal. Go to the Portfolio tab and open the Account section. Now just click on Add an Account. We'll add in our 529 account. Now we can take a look at our asset allocation. Let's jump down to the Allocations section. As you'll notice, it already has our default model in there. My default model is a 60-40 portfolio, so we'll leave that in place until he goes to college. But at that point, we'll drop it down to a 20-80 portfolio. In order to do that, we'll click on the Add an Allocation Period button and then name the period. Now we can go in and put in the allocation we want. You'll notice the program will evenly divide the time period when we create a new allocation period, so we'll need to fix the start date as well. We'll change the start age to 18, and when we save everything, the earlier allocation period will automatically adjust its end date to avoid any overlap. Now we can go in and select our 2080 allocation and hit Save All in the top right corner. If we were going to add any income to this plan, we would do it through the Income tab, and the same goes for taxes. Since we're just dealing with a 529 plan, we don't need to worry about taxes. However, there are a couple things to point out about how we handle taxes. We handle income taxes as an all-in average rate. You don't enter the client's marginal rate. You can create as many income tax periods as you would like, so you can model any changes you want over time. We also break cap gains out separately, and just like the income taxes, you can create as many cap gains periods as you would like. At this point, we just need to hit the big Update Probability button in the top right, and we'll find out if the plan works or not. To see all of the results, click on the Plan Output button right above the Update Probability button. This will give you a report that you can download to PDF and print out or email to your clients. In the next lesson, we'll dive into unwrapping exactly what's going on under the hood and how to interpret all of the different numbers. For now though, what that probability of success means is that of the 1,000 simulations we just ran, that percent of them were able to meet all of the goals. And that's the basics of building plans in InStream. Most of your plans are probably going to be a little more involved, but everything operates on the same principles that we looked at here.